learn some capital letter A to Z. This is A. Capital letter A. This is B. Capital letter B. This is C. Capital letter C. This is D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tree. T for tree. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.